Two very different AI tools are getting attention right now. Odysseus, the open source AI workspace from PewDiePie, and GPT 5.6 Soul, OpenAI's new flagship model. One is free and self hosted, one is a paid, closed frontier model. Let's break down which one is actually better for you. What is Odysseus? Odysseus is a self hosted open source AI workspace. It is not a chatbot app you sign up for, you run it yourself. It includes chat, agents, deep research tools, and support for local models. Meaning you can plug in your own AI models instead of relying on a company's servers. The appeal here is control. Your data stays on your machine, there's no subscription, and you can customize or extend it since the code is public. The trade off is setup. You need some technical comfort to install and run it, and it won't out benchmark dedicated frontier models. What is GPT 5.6 Soul? GPT 5.6 Soul is OpenAI's top tier model, released as part of the GPT 5.6 family alongside two smaller versions, Terra and Luna. Soul is built for the toughest jobs: agentic coding, long multi-step reasoning, and complex knowledge work. It leads on major coding benchmarks and is especially strong at using tools and running long tasks with minimal supervision. It's available through ChatGPT and the OpenAI API. No self-hosting, no local setup. You just log in and use it. But you are paying for access and your data goes through OpenAI's servers. Head to head. Cost: Odysseus is free to run yourself. Soul charges per user or subscription. Privacy and control. Odysseus keeps everything local. Soul runs in the cloud. Raw capability. Soul is a frontier level model. Stronger reasoning and coding performance out of the box. Flexibility: Odysseus lets you swap in different models. Soul is logged to OpenAI's system. Ease of use: Soul wins here. No setup required. Odysseus needs technical know-how. Verdict: if you want maximum raw performance with zero setup, GPT 5.6 Soul is the stronger tool. If you value privacy, control, and flexibility, and do not mind some setup, Odysseus is the better fit. They are not really direct competitors. Soul is a model, Odysseus is a workspace you can plug models into. For most casual users, Soul is simpler. For builders and privacy-focused users, Odysseus is worth the setup time. And that is the breakdown. Let me know down below in the comments which one you are using, GPT 5.6 Soul or Odysseus AI. Subscribe for more AI tool comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.